Alright, we're back, and now, of course, you cannot have a pizza taco without the cheese on it. So we're gonna get the cheese. I'm gonna put that on. Just like you'd make a pizza. So you got your beef, and then you got your tomato sauce, and then you got your cheese. And then we're gonna put it in there, just like we're making a pizza. It's gonna be so good. Put that in there. Okay. Okay, we're almost there. Put the cheese on. It's gonna be so tasty. Trust me. If you've never had the the pizza tacos, you are missing out because this is a really special kind of taco. I'm not gonna go light on the cheese. Just like a big thing of pizza. And of course, we got some sour cream. You don't want to put some sour cream on there. Not too much on the sour cream, but it's enough that you can enjoy it. Alright? Sour cream is one of those things where it sort of always goes with tacos. No matter what kind of taco you're making. But it's a little bit thicker and harder to spread than tomato sauce. Okay? Which can make it a little bit problematic. See what I mean? Like, it just doesn't spread as easy, right? So I don't always use sour cream because sometimes getting it to spread onto the taco is a bit of a pain, right? But it tastes so good. Like, I do like to include it when I can. And of course, it wouldn't be a pizza taco without some pepperonis. Put some pepperonis on there. And trust me, this can taste so good. And then, I know this one's kind of falling over. See, the one on the side's kind of falling over, but it's okay. Sometimes with tacos that happens. And then at the end, if you do all this work, you've got some pizza tacos. And we'll take this one up. And there you have it. That's the pizza taco. And you've seen it here first, guys.